In this week's video, I'm chatting all about our wall demo. I'm currently standing right where we had two walls that were blocking off our kitchen. So let me show you how we did that. But I did talk about it briefly in my design blog post about the kitchen. The wall between the dining room and the kitchen was not a support wall. We knew that for sure right off the bat. It ran the same way as the floor joists in the basement and as the attic trusses, so we took that one down first. For the other wall, we weren't sure. I had originally applied for a building permit assuming that it was a support wall, so that would mean we'd have to take it down and add a beam and a post to hold that up, to hold the roof. Once we started working on the kitchen and going up into the attic and seeing how the trusses were actually set up for our roof, we realized it was not a support wall at all. So we chatted with the city, made sure it was good to go, and we took it down because it was not supporting. If you have a raised ranch house like me or any kind of other house, you might have a whole different roof set up. So if you are doing any kind of demo work and removing walls, you want to make sure that they're not load bearing, and if they are, use the proper precautions and get someone in there who knows what to look for.
Before you start any wall demo, you are going to want to make sure that your breakers are turned off for any kind of electrical that will be in that wall. Other than that, I won't be talking too much about the electrical because codes vary depending where you live. In Ontario, Canada, where we are, as a homeowner, you are allowed to do your own electrical. However, things still have to be up to code. For that second wall, we had removed the drywall ahead of time so we could minimize the dust later on.
Thanks for watching the video all about our wall demo. Coming up, we're going to be chatting about building IKEA cabinets. We're going to be taking out the rest of the cabinets and doing the final demo, and then we're going to start to reassemble our kitchen. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the next videos coming up, and thanks for watching.